Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to continue the previous video, and in this video, we are going to set up our layout again. And in this video, we are going to add 4 buttons. The first one is create, read, and then update, and the last is delete. Alright, so we open our previous project, and here we need to say debug, so checked mode banner, and we say false, and then we scroll to the bottom and we say here, and we say row. Alright, so we delete this and we say main axis alignment and space evenly. Alright, and then we say children, and inside this we say rise button. Alright, and we need to say here color, and for the color we set it to blue, and the second one is shape, and for the shape we want to make it rounded rectangle border, and then inside that we say border radius, and we say border radius dot all dot circular, and we say 16. Alright, so again we say child, and inside that we say text, and for the text we want to say create here. Alright, so again we say text color and color dot white, and again we say on press method and we make it blank. Alright, so look like this, and we need to duplicate this, and let's run our app. Alright, so we see 4 buttons here, create and blah blah blah, but we haven't yet changed that. So create, read, and then update, and these 2 delete. And for the color we say red here, and for the update let's say orange, and these 2 red to be blue, and these 2 green. Alright, create, read, update, delete. So let's click this. Alright, it's work fine. So we need to create inside this, so we say create data, and inside this read data, and inside this is update data. Alright, and the last but not least delete data, and we scroll to the up, and we say here create data, and we say print created, and duplicate this, and we say here read, and this to update, and this to delete, and we say deleted, and this to updated, and this to read. Alright, so let's click this. We say on the debug console created, read, update, and delete. Alright, so I think look like this. Okay. Alright, it's work fine. Yeah, I think it's pretty much better. So that's enough on my video today, and see you on the next video.